read. Mobile family serious. Nobody should come for me for school fees. I'm not doing any donation. Who think I want me work court? Who need chastity? Said that. Don't make wabenya for me bonfumo. Bibia me ye. Our Paraku estate be a mayor. Yes. Don't make wabenya. More to one people for
a software solitaire mikun. A software fan for so a money time mikun. Things that this man has gone through, there or better than or better you guys will cry for him. Hosei, yame de che Ghana.
Ebusia, Crisswaddle, Medikal, SDK, thosecalledceleb, Prince David Osei. Hey, after elections, and some shisha celebrities. Let's talk GH rumors. And any first time I make sure to subscribe. I'm a menu click on notification bell and say there any updates about subject me account. Don't forget, say. Obeja will comment be our comment section or your Facebook as Let's Talk GH Rumors and our TikTok as Let's Talk GH. Let's also be follow these pages. Edia mami. Ebusia abra yatwa baby no. As you see, finally, easy be declare John Dramani Mahama, His Excellency President elect. Celebrities and swaba, hey, omo show my dream. Say them go for change. See a bit pushy MPP ato ntianza no mabeka omonsem. And some of the omudi bia bapa okopiem e wo social media ne so de a no pa we de aye gidi obi beka say aye Crisswaddle poster within kan ye was same. For 8 years we were all under your military rule. Unless person no shout, Ajay, I'm hungry or I'm hurting, then you arrest them or cripple them. Hey, we suffer. Nature say, assemble call kind no. Another poster where you see, you arrested almost everyone that spoke against your party, making sure even journalists lost their freedom of speech. You collapsed and crippled almost every business that wasn't owned by your allies. People cried of pure hunger, yet you kept imposing higher taxes. Hey, MPP say them go for change. Another post, the same Crisswaddle now was saying, people begged you to fix the country. You told them to fix themselves. Hey, you be champion. We will never forget you that until we die. Short man devil, not to say. Crisswaddle backlash we dear or the etutu the money or mampenyin to see how the infants or mampenyin that na. Okay, so that's what is we yan swear elect ni in tino or to the money His Excellency Nana Dankwa Crisswaddle. The last post was saying almost the whole country cried, begged, and said, we don't need a cathedral right now. We need employment. But you said never. You still go build them. You ordered chiefs to get up and greet you. As if sitting down to greet you takes away your blessings and good policies you had. Hey, some maybe that video be trade with media necessary. Nana Dankwa Crisswaddle say we hini bi nsore nchia no eno na Crisswaddle ka ho asem no o see do time bi na fe adudi cheche ahemfo say mo nsore nchia me ada nyenye bia na omo chia wa omo tena ase chia wa blessings ni be fi nsa na ene Crisswaddle attitude be e amana His Excellency Nana Dankwa Crisswaddle and the Vice President Dr. Bawamia after losing the election. Any power ko di mu ntentema e wo backlash mu Medikal. Osei, MPP arrested me for no tangible reason. MPP put me in cells, locked me up in jail, anchor for maximum security prison, all in the name of power. My lawyers tried to communicate with superiors and all they got in response was, it's an order from above. Let it be known to the incoming president, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, that I do not trust him, but rather believe in him. Let this new change be exhibited drastically. If not for anything, he should foresee the generation of Sharaf, a good friend of mine, that is his son, and the betterment of the youth in Ghana and beyond. Thank you. That is a medical trauma. MPP for my action for no tangible reason. You didn't copy man the lawyers free no. The lawyers say omo fra response e dem say we order from above. Yenti me nye hwe found bra ekohie ma na so ye hyiye enti woto nkra de amane His Excellency John Dramani Mahama say enti woto nkra de amane His Excellency John Dramani Mahama say nye so trust no but ogini di ne santi onhwe ne ba Sharaf generation ne ho na eja on deliver emfama ye ene medical nkra wo de asoma no the last post so Osei or say even though I know how to party, I neither belong to NPP or NDC. The betterment of you and I is all I yearn for. That is purchase or no to me ye pa, but or no the and yes say or pay NPP and now pay NDC with debi. Say be ya yin na asum bedu ye and no medical or shishe. And why nkofo bisa say eh na say na mo ensem hihye makoma mu sa na mutimi kana ma edin well any another celebrity ni din ede SDK honestly same January I will talk about how the president's daughter and bodyguard assaulted me at the VGMS blow power for my throat see I get girl like I say SDK the opachira say eye na do dan kwaku father His Excellency the bad girl ba ko ene ni bodyguard ene osi buru bi omode man no o twen na ya swear His Excellency John Dramani Mahama in January na ba be ka kire ye twen onkonsa de de ebusia me de beso mo se eye gifty adoye I Empress Gifty Oduan kasana after the election ye ka say NDC afano no chin camera be see nenim okay unkai ya yankai ho kakra emma
We talk to people who are ready to listen. Share. Akosi afa franco mini Osei, I am talking to your mind. Yes. We should not call me and kasa me kasa chere nkrofo. Do you know what this man has gone through? For just social media. Kono ko shake Google ye bo hopes na do ye dia. O ye say adwuma ni nyina man nkrofo and they were ungrateful to him. You know what he has gone through. Papa we are when kunu hono. Now your God said, Papa we are when kunu hono. Nyame will be papa man. Leave this man and leave my family alone. You don't know what we've been through. Leave us alone. Hey, baby. Mwah. Baby, your wife, I love you. Mwah. You are my baby. Oh, Jesus, you don't know.
ebusia se wakai ha wo su a o say MPP for chi hopes into mu na ede no any those called celebs so nim so no de asem ni sha mene mo betu aba se see our ba o responded to Empress Gifty ni kunu imuntie de o kan o say NPP the military party now the celebrities and individuals are voicing out. Do you know why I hate Hope Senadoye so much? You availed yourself to be used by these people to torment innocent ones, bullying and took innocent lives, allegedly. They used you to do so many dirty works, criminals in suit and tie. You made people speechless. People were so scared of their lives. They used the law to torment the voice of the people. Hobson, you were involved. You are evil. You are so evil. And if you don't change, peace will be far away from you and your family. Don't come and play victim here. Ghanaians have spoken. And I am so happy that Ghanaians made this bold decision. Naturally, the kwakra say MPP you see Hobson ni a lot of dirty games. I said those called sell it canon or say any uka hubi a fine come uka hubi bra man me who say we innocent na we evil once sawa jane dia any waso ebeye shepa na Ghana fo ni bi so de o matoto de amane one ne yere na ye Hobson ne yere Empress Gifty say owo be bi nkoda ne nipa enwene ne ho because so aka o say adwinche bi a wo no ubeja e comment section ho e de amame ne nipa ba ko a ne hu ye obia nwanwa among the celebrities a omo throw backlash ni pa ba kwa ne hu ye obia nwanwa ye Prince David Osei obia nim say no or advocate e de ma Dr. Mahmoud Bawamia nti no enhye da nye news but e nkofo nwanwa because of some of the words we use and 5 days ago ya we be make post be o same MP for 12 years, Deputy Minister for 4 years, Minister 4 years, Vice President 4 years, President 4 years, former President 8 years. Still, former President Mahama wants to be president again. The greediness of some African leaders must never be encouraged. Let's all vote for new person. Let's vote for Dr. Mahamudu Bawamia. #1. That is a poster or the buy in no participants of one penny that John Dramani Mahama AI in Shusheni. When your positions when you still pursue president as African leaders no greediness. Mo the year it's after say eja Dr. Mahamudu Bawamia lose any Twitter ho X ho enyansem kitwankofo anokoyi omoka. The santi or the attack eba John Dramani Mahama so Osei. Even drunkard you voted for. Boy, learn sense why. Reading sebi asem. Any say or party say mampenyi that John Dramani Mahama as say I electing as president. Drunkard. And some kase die mu kabi. Well, ebusia na chese de celebrities no mu bi de emane MPP fo no enu nie nipa ba akopɛ na sisi so far ono de auto backlash and I say auto punches de ma omampanyi a elect no John Dramani Mahama. Meaning say more people will come out to speak. It many nsem nichi any update bia me de baba ababesom konkon san me de bifon so de eba ekomu hye na me koso akai will say your Facebook as Let's Talk GH rumors and your TikTok as Let's Talk GH. Make sure so obe follow these pages e de amam me din e de na neka santoa makram.